Where was it coming from?
Just sounded like the front.
I know it was the front, and then which side?
I couldn't tell.
What?
Sorry.
What? What's useful?
Gasoline.
Do you want to use your pump? Unfortunately, in order to get to the fill plug for the transmission, we need to actually remove the battery, and that's what we're going to do now. Stop it, right? Actually, they're all the same.
That's nice. And it's all a 10mm bolt. All of them.
Yes. Unluckily, they're too crusty and I cannot do it by hand. You got to be kidding me. Okay. Are the screws holding it?
There's something holding it there. It's just the posts for the strap, the cross strap.
Why we have a sensor here? We need to reattach the sensor.
Okay.
I have no idea why we have a sensor there. Alright. So now I need a flashlight. The transmission is here. Let me see. I think that's the transmission fuel plug there. Nope. Get this. Yeah, I think that's what it is. What if we're wrong?
I would suggest you find out before we go too much further.
Well, the transmission is there. So everything we have seen tells us that this is the fill-in hole for the transmission, but we can see some wires there. You can go closer probably. Which seems strange to me, but at this point we're just going to try it because we don't really have much to lose. I mean, if we cannot do this, I will have to take it to a repair shop anyway. So we're going to give it a try.
Oh, hold on a second. There it is. Yeah, so right now it's just down to a slow but steady drip, so that means we can probably clean it up and put the drain plug back in, right?
Yep.
Okay, so we're gonna do that and then we'll come back. Go.
Love, can you? I'm moving as I try to do that. Just steady it. I don't want it to jump between your head.
You need to come in a little bit more so that you're more...
Oh, there's all kinds of crap here.
Well, move it.
This is untight. I'm afraid I will drop it.
Yeah.
I don't have enough space to be... Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Can you push it a little bit? Oil came out of our transmission. It is oil.
It is oil?
Yep. Go on.
I am going. I just am trying not to overflow the funnel.
Okay.
Wait now.
3.5, so it was low.
Okay. You gonna show that? It's right there.
So here goes nothing. We're going to see if indeed that port that we were told is the fill port is actually the fill port. So we're coming back inside here. You want to bring the light?
Yep.
Is this clean? It's critical that this is clean.
It's fairly clean. That's the one I cleaned up.
Nope.
Not gonna work.
Where's the other one we had?
Till it starts, please. Okay.
We're using Valvoline Max Life full synthetic ATF fluid, and we have put a funnel in the port, and we're going to, hopefully this is the correct port, otherwise, but we cannot find any information, any other information. All right, so can you see? Right, stop filming.
Let me hold this this so you can support that.
Where do the towels go?
Over there, I think on the
Where?
thing.
This is definitely a messy job, guys. But that way I cannot see if it tops up and spills
It's
out.
not going to spill out. What it's doing is splashing around.
Alright folks, we'll try to finish this process. Okay, we filled it, the case with the correct case, with what we hope is the fluid. Let's see. I can still see the cables there, but it took all the fuel, right?
All the fluid, yes.
Okay, this is a messy job, and my wife is doing a great job with a lot of cleanup. So we think we're done with the cleaning, and now we're going to reinsert the plug from the fill, the cleanup of the area, and now we are ready to replug the fill hole. And you simply insert the plug there, and now we need to, actually I would like to vacuum this crap and then put the battery back on.
Okay.
So let's go. So we're now ready to reinstall the battery. And remember that there is a connector here. We need lights.
Okay.
There is a connector here that we need to reinsert. Where are that doesn't have power, I don't know.
Yeah, it does.
Okay.
It does. We're good. This takes a sec.
So this can only go in the back. So be sure that you put it correctly.
That's where that sensor.
Yeah, we don't know what that sensor is, but there is a sensor. Here it is. And it is now connected again. And now we need to drop the battery in. All right. Where is mine?
It's right
Where's
up
the
there.
handle?
It's up there.
Okay. That's secure or not? Needs more? Okay, and the cover? Okay, that's it. All right. So since we have the car lifted, I want to check the bearings. And to check the bearings, you try to move the wheel. And this wheel does not move. We have good bearings here. Alright, and we'll do the other wheel too. But first we need to drop this thing. Tell me, how did we put that in
We
there?
put it around the other side.
Well, I cannot. It's stuck. So since we finish checking this wheel, we're going to gently put the car down. We made sure that we removed our jack from underneath. And I'm going to try and do the same thing on the other side. So now we lifted the car enough to just check the bearings of the other wheel, and we're going to do the same thing. And I cannot move the wheel in either direction. Alright. Are all the lights on now? Alright friends, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. We have to do this procedure another 2 times because a third of the fluid of an automatic transmission actually is in the transmission, not the transmission pan. So we only remove a third of the fluid. It was clearly low, it was about a quart low what we took out, as you saw. So we're going to do this 3 more times, but we saw a marked improvement, wouldn't you agree?
Yeah.
In the way that the car behaves. So we're not going to film it 2 more times because it will be the identical thing, but we will come back and report. But I'm confident that this actually is fixing the problem we're having. So from the garage woodworker
Peter.
and Mrs. Woodworker, we hope you have a great week, and we're going to see you on Sunday with our build. Have a great week.